Hey guys, and welcome to the 11th day of the 40 days of pours. This is yesterday's dried piece. I think it dried amazing. There are no cracks, it's still shimmery. I'm absolutely in love with that piece. That's by far my most favorite piece that I've ever done. With that being said, today we're doing the funnel pour, and I kind of want to do the same idea where I'm going to pour the paints into the funnel. I'm going to have a puddle of paint down here, and then I'm going to spin it. So we will see how that goes. So I'm going to start off by putting a puddle, and I want to do something different. So I'm going to do yellow, and I'm just using leftover paint today as well. So that is why I'm going to be using this up. And then I'm going to use like leftover paint from my other pours. So from like yesterday's pour, I'm going to use that as a breakup in between the solid colors. And then I have this neon leftover paint. So I'm going to start with a little black. Blue, yellow, break it up with some neon, do our darker blue, some more of the yellow, and yesterday's pour. And I think I'll end it with the last of yesterday's pour. So it's kind of a mix of everything. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slowly start to let the paint out into the puddle by lifting just slightly on the funnel. All right, that came out a lot faster than I thought it was going to. Oh, that looks so cool. All right, and now I'm going to try to spin it, but my Lazy Susan isn't super even, so it's not going to create like a super even spin. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. I think I found my new method of painting. I just need to get that one corner, but I don't want to like outstretch it. That's gonna have to be good enough. All right. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm seeing, but I'm literally seeing like different layers of paint coming through. I'm gonna take my gloves off and torch this because I know the dangers of torching before you've taken off your gloves. But you can still see like stuff is starting to pop through, which is so awesome. I'm just gonna let this sit there for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up because I want all the cells to kind of pop on their own. All right, it's been about 10 minutes and we've had a couple cells. I'm gonna torch it one more time, see if any more air bubbles are caught under there or anything. I'm not sure if I had silicone in any of this, but I'm pretty sure I did, just because of how the lacing went with the black. But like I said, it was leftover paint. So I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here is our close-up. If you can see, there's like little lines like right here where you can kind of see it more vibrantly popping through. So that's so cool because it almost looks like rays of light coming from this center spot. And then all this webbing with the black and the yellow, that is so cool. And this is my favorite corner right here. I like that. This is my favorite. But I love this because it's like a little nebula exploding right here. And then another one right here. Like this, there's just so much going on in this painting. I love it so, so much. I will be back with the dried result tomorrow and I will see you guys then. Thank you so much for tuning in.